Hey guys, Jules Kane here, back again with another piano tutorial. This time we're going to go over Straighten My Life Out by the Winans. This song is going to be in the key of E flat, and in the end it's going to modulate up to E major. Okay, let's start off with the beginning. Okay, so for this intro, you're going to start off with a D flat 6-9. Then you're going to go play a B flat 6-9. But it's in the form of an arpeggio if you want to match the original recording. So it's going to be okay, let's try it again. And then you start the verse. So he's singing, I have to admit that I thought I had it under total control. The feelings inside, they seem to override what I know. And I'll take the blame, and I feel quite ashamed that I let it go this far. Now I'm coming to you, honest and true, begging you to do what you have to, for I don't wanna love wrong. I don't wanna see wrong. I don't wanna be wrong. So straighten my life again. Do it again. Would you just straighten my life again? Okay, so that was a brief run through. Let's start off with the first chord. Have to admit, you're going to be playing an E flat 9. You can add the 13 if you want. Then G minor 7 flat 5. Thought I had it under, to an A flat major 9. So you're going to play this total con. So that's going to be E flat G over G. To an F minor 7, I'm sorry. Then we're going to go to B flat 13 sus. Feelings inside. So that's like playing a C minor on top of B flat 7. It makes it B flat 13 sus. Now this is very unique. Seems to override. Now this is a B flat 7, flat 9, flat 5. And it's basically playing an E triad on top of B flat 7. Seem to override what I know. Then you go back to the E flat major 9. Then we're going to walk up. So you're playing F minor, G minor, A flat to this G9 13. Now that's playing this E triad on top of G7 this time. Okay, let's play it again. So I have to admit that I thought I had it under total control. Feelings inside, they seem to override what I know. I'll take the blame. And I feel quite ashamed that I let it go this far. Okay, so we've already gone through those chords. Now this time we're going to go to, so now I'm coming to B flat 13 sus. Then we're going to go honest and true. This B flat 13 flat 9 is a G major chord on top of B flat. Okay? Then I'm begging you. This is going to be an A major chord on top of B flat major 7. Makes a very unique B flat diminished major 7. You don't play it that often, but it's necessary sometimes. Alright. Begging you to do. So you're going to go to a B flat. Do what you have. C minor. Then it's an E flat 2 over B flat. Have to for I. A diminished. Don't want to. G minor. C minor 7. I don't want to be wrong. So we're just repeating. Don't want to. Now we're going to go to a G half diminished. Be wrong. Then I like to play the C7 sharp 5 to a C7 flat 9. So straight in my life out again. So you see that C minor 7 to this F9 13, and the walk up is going to be F minor straight 10 I. So that's E flat over G to A flat major 6 to the B flat 9 sus 4. It's A flat chord over B flat. Straight in my life again. Then that's the D flat 6 9 again. B flat 6 9. You can add that 13 if you want. Now, second verse, same thing. Roughly. Now believe me, I've learned, and my greatest concern is that it never happens again. We're going through these. Now we're gonna go to here's where it ends. We're going through this. I'm making amends. I lived that way once. I can't live that way again. I don't want to love. Say chords wrong. I don't want to see wrong. I don't want to be wrong. So straight in my life again. C minor 7. Now would you just straighten my life out? Straighten my life out. Now, the next section, you're going to go to this very unique. You said you can make the crooked straight. So you're going to go to this A minor major 7. To a C minor 7. First time he does it, he's going to play this A flat minor major 7. You said you can make the crooked straight. To a C minor 7. In the middle of a desert, so back to that A flat minor major 7. You could spring a well, then you go back to the 1 for an E flat major 9. Then we're gonna walk up. So what I'm asking of you is not hard for you to do. So that's a 7-3-6. Won't you just take my life and make it right? this darkness. And then we key change. Into light, for I. Okay, so let's go back to that section. So after, make the crooked straight. So walk up, E flat, D flat over F, E flat over G, A flat major 9, asking of you. It's not hard. So you can play this D9 sus4 or minor 9/11, whatever your preference. It's not hard for you. Then it's a G7 sharp 5 to do to a C minor 9. To an F9 sus4, take my life to an F713, make it right. Now B flat 9 sus4, and then raise it up a half step into light, for I just want to love. B diminished 7, B flat diminished 7, sorry, to an A flat minor 7, to D flat minor. Walk it down, so it's E major 6 over B, and then B diminished 7. I just want to be. A flat minor 7 flat 5 to D flat 7. Right, so straighten my life out. So that's F sharp minor, E over A flat. Make it I like the F sharp minor over A. So the B9 sus again. So that D flat minor to the F sharp 9/13. Would you just straighten my life out? Again, C diminished 7th. Straighten my life out. Straighten my life out. Straighten my life out. Now the vamp at the end. Straighten my life out. Straighten my life out. So D flat minor. F13. B9, C diminished 7th. Now would you just straighten my life out again? And then you can end on E. Hey guys, thank you so much. That was Straighten My Life Out by the Winans. Hey, if there's a song that you guys want me to put up a tutorial on, please send in a donation. That way I can get to it. And I will be back with some more. Take care.